Hashtags like RIP Cartoon Network are trending on X, formerly Twitter, and a series of harrowing developments taking place in the realm of television TV. The popular, nostalgic TV channel Cartoon Network is speculated to be shutting down soon. Despite originating from a rumor, the news of the supposedly outgoing Cartoon Network has dismayed both the televangelists and those belonging to Generation X alike. Cartoon Network channel shutting down, having prompted a widespread outcry. The imminent disclosure of the remarkable kids-centric TV channel began grabbing headlines and caused mayhem on social media platforms, with fans expressing profound grief. Likewise, popular microblogging site X, formerly Twitter, was also flooded with CN fans urging those in authority of the channel to repeal the decision to pull the plug on it, with RIP Cartoon Network trending. The development is said to have emerged from a social media post accompanied by a video citing financial restraints at play behind the purported discontinuation of the iconic channel. The post also attributed the disclosure to the woes of the animation industry, stating that top animators in the past have faced severe job insecurities despite having exerted their full potential to keep the industry thriving amid COVID-like pandemics. Cartoon Network shutting down August 1st, while pointing towards outsourced animation talent, cancelled projects, and layoffs serving as a catalyst to ensure minimal costs. A separate report has begun making rounds on the internet, suggesting August 1st, 2024 to observe the channel's death.